Welcome to Rob Talks. Every year there's a moment when the Earth leans in just a little closer to the sun, and we arrive at the longest day. This year's summer solstice happens on June 20th in North America. It marks a moment of light, warmth, and connection both around us and within us. Let's explore the significance of this together. First off, it's the official start of summer, and the longest day and shortest night of the year. But more than a seasonal shift, it's a pause, a turning point, a time to check in with your life, your goals, and your relationships. Summer is a season of aliveness. It brings movement, energy, and a sense of openness. And the solstice, the peak of light, invites us to ask, what in my life feels full right now? Or, where am I being pulled to grow, to share, or to reconnect? This is a natural time for clarity and confidence, for stepping more fully into the parts of your life that matter, including your relationships. The solstice is the season's invitation to come together. Just as plants reach toward the sun, people reach toward each other. We feel more social, more open, more ready to connect. This is how the summer solstice energy might show up in your life. Whether you're in a partnership or hoping for one, the solstice brings clarity and honesty. It encourages open-hearted conversations, shared dreams, and maybe even redefining what you need and want from the connection. It's a powerful time to ask, are we growing together, or just coexisting? Friendships can also blossom in this season. Summer is built for shared meals, spontaneous adventures, and deeper laughs. The solstice reminds you to nurture the friendships that feel meaningful and gently let go of the ones that don't. With longer days, there's more space to reconnect with family, whether that's through a visit, a phone call, or a shared activity. This is a great time to start family traditions, plan time together, or simply be present without rushing. And if family is complicated, the solstice can offer a fresh perspective, inviting you to focus on boundaries, healing, or finding family in a chosen community. Here are a few easy ways to mark this powerful day. You can watch the sunrise or sunset, either alone or with someone you care about. You could plan a gathering, even a simple meal outside can feel meaningful, or you could journal or talk about your summer intentions. What do you want this season to feel like? It's also a great time to reconnect with someone, such as a friend you've lost touch with, a sibling, or even your partner. Take time to pause and unplug for an evening, and spend time fully present, without any distractions. Sometimes the simplest moments are the ones that remind us how connected we already are. After the solstice, the days begin to shorten again, slowly and gently. It's the start of a subtle shift inward, a reminder that even fullness gives way to reflection. So it's a good time to check in and ask yourself, what relationships are nourishing? Or, where do I need more time, more listening, more presence? Remember, the 2025 summer solstice isn't just about light, it's about how we use that light. It's about the people we share it with, and the choices we make about how we show up, for ourselves and for each other. So take a breath, step into the season. Make time for joy, clarity, and connections. Let this be the start of a summer where your relationships deepen, your friendships thrive, and your family moments feel real and grounded. Thanks for being here. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help us grow. Wishing you all a meaningful, connected start to this summer.